This Sheetz has been closed down since mid-part of June for renovations, and today they are opening back up. And Sheetz is a 24/7 convenience store, gas station, based out of Altoona, Pennsylvania. Hello everyone, Sean here with Capturing Moments and Events, and we're here at the Moxham Sheetz here in Johnstown, Pennsylvania, located on Center Avenue. And today's the opening day, is September 30th, 2021. And we're going to go inside just to take a look around, nothing big, just to see if there's any kind of change, if any change at all. But we're going to head inside and take a look. Okay, we are now inside of the Sheetz. And what I'll be doing, I'll be going around the inside of the store here just to show you around. Here at Sheetz, they have a wide variety of drinks. I mean, they got anything from iced tea to sodas to orange juice, energy drinks, you name it. They have about almost anything you can think of here in the store. They still maintain their touchscreen to order. Still have all this here. Special drinks, anything made to order, from hot drinks, ice drinks, frozen drinks. Basically, wherever you're in the mood for, they have anything. They got value meals here. You name it, they have it here. Here you have your candy aisle. They have all the fruit snacks, all kinds of snacks that you need to get. They still have. Some different kind of cans here. I never heard of, you got your sour punch, rainbow straws. Of course, your sword gums that they have here too. Here's one of my favorites. I always like the Orange Mint Lifesavers, and they retail about $2.99. Everyone's favorite, the Swedish Fish. Yeah, around $2.79 on there too. We're going to take a walk into the beer cave. Now, the last Sheetz, I don't think they had the beer, but this Sheetz here, well, I should say the last Sheetz that was here in Moxham, I don't believe they had beer, but now they have it, beer. So they have all kinds of assortment of beer here. If you're, they got your Coors Light, Miller Lite, your Miller Lite, Budweiser. They basically have it all. Whatever you're looking for or in the mood for. And if you look down through here, they have your coffee, coffee stand, everything here set up and established for your caffeine kicks. They do have a touch screen, so that way you're grinding fresh coffee each time you come in here. They give you instructions how to do that as well. They got assortments of blue slushies, blue raspberry, cherry. They got orange cream, cherry, blue raspberry, all kinds of flavor. One flavor that is my favorite that's not in there is grape. They don't have grape, but they do have 3 blue raspberries and 2 cherries. Maybe due time that they will get the grape. Then of course you got your freeze, which is Pepsi slush, your cherry slush, and your Mountain Dew slush, and blue raspberry slushes too. They also have your for real shakes and smoothies. As you can see right here, you just pick out different They got your Shock and Chill, Vanilla Bliss, Peanut Butter Cup, Oreo cookies, Old Mint chip, cake batter. And then you just put it in here and it gives you full instructions. Which it tells you right here, put in here. A little mixture comes in from the top. And down here, I'll mix it up for you. They also have another cooler here with your milk and sodas. Kind of a mix of different things here. You got your Gallagher's milk, Tropicana orange juice. Wherever you're in the mood for, they have here. You're looking in the back of the kitchen where they prepare your food, your MTO, which is made to order, and it's a nice little stuff that they have here. It's actually a little bit crowded. Sheetz was founded in 1952 by Bob Sheetz in Altoona, Pennsylvania. And they have right now, since 2020, they have 634 store locations. And they usually in Northeast, Mid-Atlantic, usually in South Midwest. So they're actually expanding. And they have all your cashiers up front here. They still have the plastic for protection of the COVID-19. They are still maintaining that here in the store. We'll take a quick walk around here real quick of the store. I do have a pastry section with donuts and cookies. Then you come around here, they still have pre-made sandwiches. So if you're kind of in a hurry and you don't want the MTOs, they have all kinds of selections here in a bin here, already prepared and made. There you go. Peanut butter and sandwiches. PB&J sandwich. Okay, I see one has a strawberry jam, the other has like a what is it? Honey spread. And they also have varieties of meats and everything that they have here. You have through here, section here. They have they're coming down the aisle. I have all kinds of stuff. You got your tasty cake brands, all different kinds of tasty cakes. They have everything here. They actually have an assortment of peanuts. You know, salt and cashews, salted almonds, salted peanuts, honey roasted cashews. Just assortment stuff that they have here. Some things skinny popcorn. They have. Of course, they have sweet salted kettle corn too. You can try out, and they have wholesale corn snacks. They do have their dining area that's sitting out here, as you can see. Guys excited that the new Sheetz is open here. And on the outside door at Sheetz, they have a sign advertising for a supervisor at $16 an hour. And you can apply right here with the QR code. You just take your phone and scan it. And then also all the Sheetz do have gas pumps. And being that's opening up today, they do have gas for $2.99 on the opening day at Sheetz, located here in the Moxham section of Johnstown, Pennsylvania on Central Avenue. So if you're near this area, $2.99, fill her up. Well, that concludes this video right now. Oh, people are honking right now. Okay. I don't know what that is exactly. Maybe it's their celebration of the Sheetz opening up. I don't know. But anyway, this concludes my video. I hope. Okay. People are still honking. I think that's about it. Maybe that's all. Okay. But anyway, that concludes the video here. Make sure and please hit the like button and subscribe. And yes, I'm new to the channel, and I'm sure I'll get better as I go along too. So until then, this is Sean. See you in my next video.